Have you read a 22-page book? Well, I have. And I can tell you that it is one of the best reads of my life, and it absolutely changed how I look at my days and how I go about my days or try to go about my days. Hi everyone, Priyanshi this side. You might have already met Ishita, the other creator on this channel, and my friend. So if you love a story that is simple yet leaves a lasting impact, then this video is for you. Let's get into it. Today we are going to talk about The Game of Life by Andrew Ko. Now, let me just share a short summary of this book. So this is the story of a 15-year-old teenager named Rihanna, and her life is like any other teenager. There is homework, there is relationship stuff, coursework here, and life is a drag. There are rubbish days, there are terrible days, there are brilliant days, and she has a name for them as well. So one day out of the blue, Rihanna stops and does some serious thinking, and वो ये imagine करना चालू करती है कि how would like the extraordinary Rihanna behave like? What will she talk like? What will she think like? And she's not very much convinced, so she sits down और वो अपने दिमाग में in her brain like वो two movies play करती है. Now in one of the movies she behaves like the average Rihanna. She goes about her days like she's doing right now, and nothing changes, and it is a very dull movie. It is a black and white movie. It is very boring. Then she plays another movie, and man, it is full of colors. There is excitement, there is happiness. Her relationships are great. She has a fab career. She has a great life, and she absolutely enjoys it. And उस moment में she decides कि okay, now I will try and become the extraordinary Rihanna. I'll behave like the extraordinary Rihanna. So the first person to notice this change was a teacher, Mr. Jenkins. जब उन्होंने class में homework दिया, then instead of whining and complaining about it like the other children, what she did was on her way out of the class, she told him that she'll try to do her best homework. Mr. Jenkins was very surprised by it. He went to the staff room and he declared that Rihanna has been abducted and replaced by an alien. Then Rihanna's mornings changed. Uski mother ko had to call her multiple times earlier to get up and get down for breakfast, but abhi she used to get up on her own. She was very energetic and she was a pleasure to have at the breakfast table. Then Rihanna realized that three things changed for her. One was that school was fun. She realized that when she was having fun, she was learning loads more. Terrible Tuesdays were cool. And the third thing was that people liked her more. It was not that she was short of friends or anything, but now that she was more cheerful and more energetic, people came to her more and talked to her more. So even her crush, Danny, noticed her. Rihanna wondered why had she wasted like 15 years of life being the average Rihanna. She kept on practicing being this extraordinary Rihanna until it became a normal for her. Now being the extraordinary Rihanna and behaving like the extraordinary Rihanna and changing her attitude about things didn't mean that things that she didn't like stopped happening. Abhi bhi barish hoti thi. She still had history classes to attend to, and then there was homework. But she realized that if she changes her attitude about it, then it is just the 10% of her life. How she reacts to this 10% eventually determines the 90% of her life. So she decided that it was going to rain, whether she liked it or not. So what she thought that there are people living in desert and they would dance with absolute joy if it rained there. Then homework was going to come whether she liked it or not, and she still had history classes to attend to. So she changed her attitude towards that as well. She started becoming more invested in her homework. She started trying to do her best, and then history classes also she started to like. So eventually it started becoming less of a thing जिससे वो irritate होती थी, and she started slowly enjoying it. Then we are taken to 85 years later, where Rihanna is celebrating her birthday with all the people that she has cared about and she has loved, and all the people who have loved her and cared about her. Her husband Danny comes, holds her hand, and they cut the cake. her eyes are filled with tears, but she decides that, you know what, this is not the time to cry. And then she reflects back on the decisions she took when she was 15 years old, and she realized that, wow, how her life changed because of that one tiny decision. She had a fab career, she had great relationships, everything was just perfect. So it definitely is such a simple story. It is such a short story. It teaches us something so much valuable, you know, कि अगर हम सिर्फ अपना attitude change कर दें towards things and how we like react to things, then कितनी सारी चीज़ें change हो सकती हैं. If we stop reacting to each and everything so negatively and we stop complaining or whining about everything, तो it can just change the way our life is going, right? It can even change the trajectory. Of course, it takes time. कोई भी एक दिन में extraordinary रियाना नहीं बन सकता. It takes time. It is a process. But if we start implementing this small mindset, it can make a huge impact. So yeah, that was Game of Life. I absolutely love this book. I am so grateful that I got my hands on this book. It was during a school fair, and it is just a pleasure to read this book. So hope you like this video. If you have any recommendations for another book, please do drop it in the comments below. We'll try to take up those books. If you have any thoughts about the video, please do let us know. We'll love to read what you think about it. And subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with your friends and family, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye.